Welcome. In this video, I'll be demonstrating the completion of the Enhancement 9 work that I've done on the PHP Motor site. As stated in the instructions, I have created the uploads model and built the functionality for images to be uploaded, and I have set the directory for the images to be saved to be the vehicles folder. Also, I created the images table, as you can see right here, and I have gone ahead to upload some thumbnail images. As you can see, the value for the image primary fields are set to 0. These are the images I uploaded. Okay, for thumbnails. Okay, on my model site, I have my classifications, and for this, the Lamborghini, I have added about 3 thumbnails, and as you can see, the thumbnails scale up in size as I hover on them. Okay, I also uploaded I have just one image, one thumbnail here, and right here I have for this I also have 3 thumbnails. I also have for the Chevy Camaro, I have 3 thumbnails. Okay, also my vehicle details view is responsive, so as you can see, the video thumbnails are also responsive and are stacked at the bottom of the page, just below the in stock. Okay, and so now I will go ahead and validate the HTML and CSS for the vehicle details page. Okay, so there are no HTML errors. I will go ahead and validate the CSS. There are no CSS errors. Then I'll use the wave tool. Sorry, I have the wave tool on my other tab. Okay, so I'm going to validate with the wave tool. You can see there are no errors. Thank you very much for listening.